What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite VCA compressors, the DBX 160 and its other lineages. I've found that the compression curve of it, to me, just reminds me of so many different classic records that I've heard. I bought this DBX 119 that's over here, and that unit is the hi-fi version of the DBX 160. So let's hear this DBX 119, which has the same compression chip as the DBX 160, versus the DBX 160 plugin in the computer. Let's hear the DBX 160 plugin on the kick drum. Now the hardware. Back to plugin. Hardware. And as you can see on the screen, they're both level matched to -6 dB. You can really hear that the hardware has that low end punch that the plugin doesn't have. Alright, now let's hear it on snare drum. Plugin. Now the hardware. Now in the context of the song, to plug in. Now hardware. Let me know which one you like the sound of better in the comments, and thanks for checking out this video. If you want to work together, mixing, mastering, composition, recording, I'm here for all your needs. I also have tracks that you can license and beats that you can buy, sample packs coming soon. So hit the links below and let's get in touch.